TBK-958Z automatic laser screen remover. Built-in high-end computer, one-button autofocus mobile phone wireless control. Removing the phone screen holder is one of its main features. Test the screen functionality first. Then put in the auto fixture to center it with one key and focus on it. We saw that the demolition process was completed in just a few seconds. Next, it is put into a heating separator for heating. Once heated, it can be easily removed by echo separation. It is worth noting that the removed bracket can be returned to continue use. We removed the screen for testing, and it was intact. Let's take another look at its other important feature, removing the back cover glass of the phone. Place the phone in the auto center clamp and attach the lens protector. Select the corresponding joints and parameters and start. Wait for the work to be completed. Through the isolation visual window, you can view the progress of the work, and at the same time effectively isolate the smoke and cooperate with the activated carbon smoking instrument to give you a healthy and environmentally friendly working environment. Remove the back cover of the phone. Break the glass with a blasting tool. Use a blade to remove large pieces of debris and use a brush to remove debris. At this point, we see that the back cover glass has been cleaned by us. The printing cover and the back cover logo functions are also excellent. At the same time, it is important not to break down the bottom plate coating. Not only that, but for most of the materials you come into contact with in life, you can use it to use your imagination and creativity.